Hey everybody, today is Frank's birthday. Say hi to Frank. Hey Bob. It's his third birthday, and I'm starting to learn guitar. Not sure if you knew that or not, and I'm actually really bad at it, but I just tried to learn Happy Birthday in the last 20 minutes, so bear with me. But I want to sing Happy Birthday to Frank. All right, here we go. Let's get these chords going. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Frankie. Happy. Oh, this one's hard. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Frank.